Imagine you're sitting at a crowded cafe. The lighting is perfect. Your coffee just arrived. And you want a picture. You look over, you look around, make eye contact with a friendly looking guy at the next table and ask, "Hey, do you mind taking a quick photo of me?" He smiles and says, "Sure." So you unlock your phone and you hand it over. For the first 3 seconds, everything is fine. He's holding the phone up, framing the shot, but then he takes 2 steps backward towards the exit to get a better angle. In that exact fraction of a second, your heart drops into your stomach. Your brain stops thinking about the photo and suddenly realizes a complete stranger is holding my unlocked phone. He has access to my bank apps, my gallery, my emails, my basically entire life. You don't know him. You just gave him access because he smiled and seemed nice. That sudden, twisting panic in your gut. That is your survival instinct turning on the alarm.
Watching the water trace the glass. Every second feels like the last. Underneath the weight of the sky, we watch the quiet moments pass by. So quiet.
Welcome to Doubt Karo Out. I'm Snigdh. Tonight, we're talking about that exact feeling in modern dating. Why we hand over the unlocked phones of our private lives to people we barely know, just because they ask us to trust them. Grab your headphones, settle in, and let's put a full stop to overthinking. Tonight's dilemma comes from a 27-year-old working in tech. Her story is something thousands of us are living through right now, but are too afraid to talk about. She writes, "Hi Snigdh, I've been talking to this guy I met on a dating app for about 3 months. We live in different cities right now, but we talk every single night. The connection feels so real. But lately, he has been pushing hard for digital intimacy. He keeps asking for private photos and videos. Every time I hesitate, he gets incredibly annoyed. He tells me that we are practically in a relationship and that if I actually trusted him, this wouldn't be a big deal. He makes me feel like I'm being a prude or sabotaging what we have going on here." But Snigdh, last night I was sitting on my bed, holding my phone camera up, and my hands were literally shaking. My chest felt tight, and my gut was screaming at me to stop. I put the phone down, and he ignored my texts for the rest of the night. Am I just being paranoid and old school? Is it okay that I don't want to leave a digital footprint, even if I really like him? Let's talk about those shaking hands. Your body is incredibly intelligent. Long before your logical brain can process a threat, your nervous system reacts to it. You aren't shaking because you're old school. You're shaking because your gut knows that you're holding a device connected to the internet, and you're about to give up total control of your own dignity. We live in an era where we confuse access with affection. We think that if someone has 24/7 access to our screens, our location, and our bodies via a camera, it means that they care about us. But let me validate exactly why your fear is 100% justified. Not just physiologically, but legally. Recently, the Madras High Court's Madurai bench confirmed that repeated sexual intimacy does not by itself mean a relationship was consensual. The judges officially termed this type of manipulation as a case of rape by deception. The bench also described this as specific crime as romance fraud. This isn't just about an annoying guy on an app. Courts must evaluate the existence of coercion, deception, or intimidation to determine if free and informed choice was absent. They also must examine whether the relationship was founded on genuine affection or calculated deception. Think about his reaction when you said no. The annoyance, the silent treatment, that is coercion. The court explicitly appealed to young women to be extra cautious about safeguarding their privacy and dignity in the digital age. The judges stressed that intimate photographs or videos should never be shared with anyone through electronic means. They warned that once such material leaves one's exclusive control, it can easily be misused. And the reality is dark. This misuse leads to irreversible consequences for the victim's privacy, dignity, and mental well-being. Courts are increasingly receiving cases pertaining to online deception, emotional manipulation, and sexual exploitation. And also, the last one in this list is cyber-enabled blackmail. As the judges powerfully noted, a moment of misplaced trust should never become a lifetime of suffering. Your hands were shaking because you knew the stakes. So, how do we fix this? We stop treating our boundaries as a negotiation. Soch badlo, approach badlo, or aage badho. So we'll take exactly 3 steps to reclaim your digital safety right now. Step 1. You have to separate physical intimacy from digital data. A photograph on a smartphone is not a fleeting romantic moment. It's a permanent string of pixels and raw data. The absolute second you hit send, it leaves your device and lives on servers, in cloud backups, and in chat logs that you no longer control. If this guy truly respects you, a strict no digital footprint rule will not be a deal breaker. If it is, he doesn't want you, he wants leverage. Step 2. I want you to look strictly at the data of his behavior. Evaluate his reaction to your no. True affection does not coerce. True affection says, I understand. Take your time. If your refusal is met with anger, guilt tripping, or him ignoring your texts for a night, that is emotional manipulation. You're not losing a great guy. You are dodging a massive, high-risk liability. Step 3. Force this connection out of the cloud and into reality. Stop the endless late-night FaceTime cycle. Require a public, in-person meeting. Tell him, I like you, but I don't build relationships through a screen. Let's meet. If he stalls, makes excuses, or continues to demand digital intimacy instead of booking a ticket, you have your answer. It was calculated deception all along. Listen to me. Setting a boundary does not make you boring. It does not make you a prude, and it definitely does not mean you are sabotaging a good thing. It makes you fiercely protective of your peace. We are taught to shrink ourselves to keep other people comfortable. We are taught that saying no is an insult. But your body knew better. Your body told your hands to shake for a reason. Trust your hands. Trust your gut. You do not owe anyone a piece of your digital soul just because they gave you a few weeks of attention on an app, or maybe gave you a smile in a coffee shop, You worked hard for your career, for your independence, and for your mental health. Do not hand the keys to your peace of mind to a stranger on the internet or on the road. जो रिश्ता तुम्हारी बाउंड्रीज की इज्जत नहीं कर सकता, वो तुम्हारी इज्जत कभी नहीं करेगा. Real trust is built in the light. It is never demanded through a glowing screen in the dark. Remember that. If you are carrying a dilemma you can't figure out, drop it in the anonymous confessional link on our website or in the podcast notes. Your story is 100% safe here. I'm Snigdh, signing off. You take very good care of yourself. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.